509. Number of rejected ballot papers 001. Number of rejection objected to 000. Total number of disputed votes 000. And therefore, as I said, total number of valid votes cast 213.
Asubuhi njema,
asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema.
Allow me to update as follows. We have received results from Riamanoti Primary School, polling station 1 of 1 in Nyansiongo Ward, Burabo constituency, Nyamira County. Mochumbe Jackson Mugusu 146. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 045. Oyori John Obai 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 022. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Total number of valid votes cast 213. Total number of rejected voters, total number of registered voters in the polling station 429. Total number of rejected ballot papers 001. Total number of rejection objected to ballot papers 000. Total number of disputed votes 000. And as I said, total number of valid votes cast 213.
Wetu ya kale yatapita. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, tuwe na utukufu. Asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema, asubuhi njema,
Allow me again to update as follows. We have received results from Nyaronde DOK Primary School, polling station 2 of 3. In Nyansiongo Ward, Burabu constituency, Nyamira County. Number of votes cast in favor of each candidate. Mochumbo Jackson Mogusu, 069. Mogaka Dixon Machungo, 003. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni, 000. Nyantika Alex Obare, 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso, 029. Oeri John Obai, 002. Omwancha Kevin Maranga, 111. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka, 000. Sylvester Ongata Moganda, 000. Total number of valid votes cast, 214. Total number of registered voters at that polling station, 508. Total number of rejected ballot papers, 009. Total number of rejection objected to, 000. Total number of disputed votes, 000. And as I said earlier, total number of valid votes cast, 214. Allow me to update as follows. We have received results from Nyandoche Ibere Primary School, polling station number 2 of 2. You have received results from Nyandoche Ibere Primary School, polling station number 2 of 2. In Nyansiongo Ward, Burabu constituency, Nyamira County. Number of votes cast in favor of each candidate. Mwachumbe Jackson Mogusu, 212. Mogaka Dixon Machungo, 003. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni, 001. Nyantika Alex Obare, 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso, 037. Oeri John Obai, 001. Omwancha Kevin Maranga, 028. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka, 000. Onsase Sylvester Ogata Moganda, 001. Total number of valid votes cast, therefore, 283. Total number of registered voters in the polling station, 572. Total number of rejected ballot papers, 001. Total number of rejection objected to ballot papers, 000. Total number of disputed votes, 000. And as I said, total number of valid votes cast, 283. Continue to ask for your patience and cooperation, and I want to really acknowledge the effort by the chief agents in processing the results. Thank you. To update as follows again. We have received results. We have received results from Nyandoche Ibere Primary School, polling station 1 of 2. In Nyansiongo Ward, Burabu constituency, Nyamira County. Number of votes cast in favor of each candidate. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu, 234. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu, 234. Mogaka Dixon Machungo, 003. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni, 000. Nyantika Alex Obare, 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso, 033. Oeri John Obai, 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga, 000. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka, 000. No, sorry. Omwancha Kevin Maranga, 031. Omwancha Kevin. It. Vincent Nyanchoka, 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda, 000. Total number of valid votes cast, 301. Total number of registered voters, 572. Total number of rejected ballot papers, 004. Rejection objected to, 000. Total number of disputed votes, 000. Total number of valid votes cast, 301. I think, just a minute. You need to verify that. If possible, Goja, if possible, we can read those sessions again. Just a minute. Yeah? Allow me. Okay with you? From the first one we started with. So just get all of that. The Excel. And we cannot assume, huh? Sawa sawa. Are we together? We can't assume that. So just do all of it. All of it again. Just to go there. Let us be keen, please. Let us be keen, please. Nyandoche Ibere Primary School, polling station 1 of 2. Nyandoche Ibere Primary School, polling station 1 of 2. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 234. Nyandoche Ibere Primary School, stream 1 of 2, right? Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 234. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 003. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 033. Oeri John Obai 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 031. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 004. Next one is Nyaronde DOK Primary School, polling station 2 of 3. Polling station 2 of 3. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 069. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 003. Let me ask for your patience, please. Mogaka Dixon Machungo have said 003. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 029. Oeri John Obai 002. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 111. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Total number of rejected ballot papers 009. Results from Nyandoche Ibere Primary School, polling station 2 of 2. Nyandoche Ibere Primary School, polling station 2 of 2. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 212. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 003. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 001. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 037. Oeri John Obai 001. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 028. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 001. Number of spoiled ballot papers 001. Rejected, sorry. Number of rejected ballot papers 001. Results from Riamanoti Primary School, polling station 1 of 1. Let me ask those who are in the tallying hall, please let us maintain silence. If possible, consult in low tones. Riamanoti Primary School, polling station 1 of 1. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 146. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 045. Oeri John Obai 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 022. Onsanse Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Spoiled ballot, rejected ballot papers 001. Gesebei Primary School, Station 1 of 3. Gesebei Primary School, Station 1 of 3. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 112. 112. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 001. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 048. Oeri John Obai 001. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 053. Onsase Vincent Machoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 001. Rejected ballot papers 004. Nyaronde DOK Primary School, Stream Polling Station 3 of 3. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 083. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 029. Oeri John Obai 004. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 097. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 001. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 002. Rejected ballot papers 000. Results from Ribaita Primary School, Polling Station 1 of 1. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 073. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 002. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 057. Oeri John Obai 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 063. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 003. Masige DB Primary School, Polling Station 1 of 1. Masige DB Primary School, Polling Station 1 of 1. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 034. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 001. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 032. Oeri John Obai 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 013. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 001. Menyenya Primary School Polling Station 305. Menyenya Primary School Polling Station 305. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 093. Mogaka Dickson Mochungo 004. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 001. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 101. Oeri John Obai 002. Omwacha Kevin Maranga 085. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 000. Menyenya Primary School Polling Station 405. Menyenya Primary School Station 405. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 091. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 006. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 089. Oeri John Obai 006. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 089. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Onsase Sylvester Ogata Moganda 001. Rejected ballot papers 003. Be patient, please. Rensune Primary School Station 303. Rensune Primary School Station 303. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 056. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 003. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 001. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 053. Oeri John Obai 001. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 090. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 001. Rensune Primary School Station 2 of 3. Rensune Primary School Station 2 of 3. Kindly please, we thank you for your patience again. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 047. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 002. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 053. Oeri John Obai 002. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 076. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 002. Rejected ballot papers 003. Rensune Primary School Station 1 of 3. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 053. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 005. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 001. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 040. Oeri John Obai 001. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 089. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 005. Menyenya Primary School polling station 5 of 5. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 103. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 005. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 001. Nyantika Alex Obare 001. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 092. Oeri John Obai 003. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 094. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 006. We are about to be there. Menyenya Primary School Station, polling station 1 of 5. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 087. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 002. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 004. Nyantika Alex Obare 001. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 081. Oeri John Obai 002. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 090. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 002. Nyansiongo DB Primary School Station 1 of 1. Nyansiongo DB Primary School Station 1 of 1. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 119. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 001. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 023. Oeri John Obai 002. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 168. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 001. Rejected ballot papers 003. Menyenya Primary School polling station 2 of 5. Menyenya Primary School station 2 of 5. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 097. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 002. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 109. Oeri John Obai 003. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 092. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 001. Nyaronde DOK Primary School station 1 of 3. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 079. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 003. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 023. Oeri John Obai 001. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 106. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 001. Rejected ballot papers 001. Gesebei Primary School, polling station 2 of 3. Gesebei Primary School, polling station 2 of 3. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 136. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 002. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 001. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 063. Oeri John Obai 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 056. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 001. Rejected ballot papers 003. We have also received results from Nyansiongo DOK Primary School, Station 1 of 2. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 076. Mogaka Dickson Machungo 001. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 001. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 070. Oeri John Obai 001. Omwancha Maranga 122. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 002. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 005. Rejected ballot papers 009. We are sorry for that delay. We have processed the rest. They are just coming in. We are announcing. Thank you.
shall be given before the angels we shall know. Know from the hills of light, our heart will love. It is the victory.
Kindly your patience, please. Allow me update as follows. We have received results of 1. Kindly your patience. Number of votes cast in favor of each candidate. Again now 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. 1. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 000. Tika Alex Obare 001. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 0. Oeri John Obai 001. Omwancha Maranga, Omwancha Kevin Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Spoiled ballot papers 003. Rejected ballot papers 003. Let me update as follows again. We have received results from Tindereti Primary School polling station 1 of 3. We have received results from Tindereti Primary School polling station 1 of 3. Valid votes cast in favor of each candidate. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 075. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 002. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 031. Oeri John Obai 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 173. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 004. again update us. Update as follows. We have received results from Nyansiongo DOK Primary School Stream 2 of 2. Nyansiongo, not Nyaronde. Valid votes cast in favor of each candidate. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 084. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 001. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 002. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 070. Oeri John Obai 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 135. Is it? Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 003. Rejected ballot papers 002. Thank you. Receive results from Tindereti Primary School, Station 2 of 3. Number of valid votes cast in favor of each candidate. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 080. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 002. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 001. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 029. Oeri John Obai 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 177. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 001. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 001. Rejected ballot papers 001. Me again to update as follows. Allow me again to update as follows. We have received results from Tinderet Primary School polling station 3 of 3. Valid votes cast in favor of each candidate. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 066. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 001. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 026. Oeri John Obai 000. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 163. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 008. We seek your indulgence. We have only three more polling stations to go. Maybe in the next 15 minutes we should be done. Then we remain processing now the certificate and any other announcement that will follow that.
Tuambie nani alikwenda kusimama na wale vijana. Tuambie nani alikwenda katika lile tundu la simba, kuyafunga makano ya simba, Danieli akawa salama. Tuambie nani alikwenda katika lile tundu la simba. Tuambie. Tuambie nani alikwenda katika mateso ya Ayubu, alipopoteza kila kitu na bado hakujikana Mungu. Tuambie nani alikwenda katika mateso ya Ayubu. Tuambie, 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 tuambie nani alikwenda katika.
Allow me again to update as follows. We have received results from Kenyerere Tea Buying Center, polling station 1 of 1. Kenyerere Tea Buying Center, station 1 of 1. Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu 081. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 002. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 010. Oeri John Obai 001. Omwacha Kevin Maranga 109. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 002. Rejected ballot papers 002.
Tuambie nani alikwenda katika gereza la Warumi. Tuambie, tuambie, tuambie. Ni Alfa na Omega, Omega, mwanzo hata mwisho. Ni Mikael, Mikael, Bwana wa vita. Historia ya vita kule mbinguni, alivyomshinda shetani, nasi tutashinda. Ni Mikael, Mikael, atakayetushindia. Ni Alfa na Omega, Omega, mwanzo hata mwisho. Ni Mikael, Mikael, Bwana wa vita. Historia ya vita kule mbinguni, alivyomshinda shetani, nasi tutashinda. Ni Mikael, Mikael, atakayetushindia. Unapitia magumu mazito maishani mwako, mwachie Yesu apigane vita vyako na ushindi uwe wake, nawe pia uwe wake. Hajawahi kushindwa vita katika vizazi vyote. Sasa nawe umwamini, abebe mzigo wako. Unapitia magumu mazito maishani mwako, mwachie Yesu, mwachie Yesu apigane vita vyako na ushindi uwe wake, nawe pia uwe wake.
We really ask for your indulgence as we process one of the Kegingas polling station. Kindly.
Ni Alfa na Omega, Omega, mwanzo hata mwisho. Ni Mikael, Mikael, Bwana wa vita. Historia ya vita kule mbinguni, Alfa na Omega, Omega, mwanzo hata mwisho. Ni Mikael, Mikael, Bwana wa vita. Historia ya vita kule mbinguni, alivyomshinda Shetani, nasi tutashinda. Ni Mikael, Mikael, atakayetushindia.
Jerusalem,
As follows, and let me request those who are crowding this side please to vacate. Thank you. We have received results from Keginga Primary School polling station 1 of 2. Keginga Primary School polling station 1 of 2. Number of votes cast in favor of each candidate: Machunge Jackson Mogusu 072. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 000. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni 001. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 019. Oheri John Obai 003. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 128. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 000.
Tutaishi na Mwokozi milele, watanga milele. Hauhitaji jua mwezi kuangaza, nuru yake ni Yesu.
And finally, we have received our last presiding officer. We ask for your indulgence as we process the results.
Jerusalem, oh Jerusalem,
Tutakwenda na Yesu
uko juu,
kwenye makao ya milele.
shida zote,
Huzuni, tabu na magonjwa, hata kifo kitatoweka.
Jerusalem,
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 Jerusalem, mji wa Mungu.
tutaishi
Tutaishi na Mwokozi milele, hatana milele.
ule wimbo,
Ndipo utaimbwa
ule wimbo,
wa Musa naye Mwana-Kondoo. Mavazi meupe, furaha ya kukombolewa.
Jerusalem,
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 Jerusalem. Jerusalem, mji wa Mungu,
tutaishi
na Mwokozi.
oh Jerusalem,
Hata na
Mataifa
yatakusanyika pale,
kuzunguka
kiti cha enzi cha Mungu,
tutaketi
mbinguni pake.
Jerusalem,
Mwana-Kondoo ameshinda.
Jerusalem,
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 oh Jerusalem,
Jerusalem, mji wa Mungu,
hey, tutaishi
na Mwokozi.
Jerusalem,
Hata na tumealikwa Yesu, kwa kila mmoja.
usikose
Usije kukosa Yesu Mwokozi atungoja. Jerusalem,
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 oh Jerusalem.
Jerusalem, mji wa Mungu.
tutaishi
We ask for your indulgence as we announce results from our last polling station. We have received results from Keginga Primary School polling station 2 of 2. Valid votes cast, number of votes cast in favor of each candidate. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu 091. Mogaka Dixon Machungo 000. Mozebi Alexander Mogeni 000. Nyantika Alex Obare 000. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso 017. Oeri John Obai 002. Omwancha Kevin Maranga 132. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka 000. Sylvester Ogata Moganda 000. Rejected ballot papers 002. We want to thank you so much, all the stakeholders, for the time that we have had this evening. We have just completed announcing results as received from the polling stations. We immediately embark on the process of processing Form 36B, upon which we shall announce the collected results and proceed with the subsequent processes. We therefore still ask for your indulgence as we process Form 36B. Let me continue to acknowledge the participation of chief agents in the process since we started. Thank you so much. Whatever you may have gathered from the displayed screen is for your own consumption. I will announce from printed results. Thank you.
The results announced here have been uploaded ziko kwa portal ya IBC, so you can still get them there.
kujitangaza
na bado ni wanatumia hapo chini pia kwa live stream.
Makabila washami wakasekea kishindo cha magari ya Waisraeli, na kumbe zilikuwa nyayo za wakoma zilizojawa uwezo wa Mungu. na mapema siku ya tatu, kaburi liko wazi, kaburi liko wazi.
Sasa yuko hai mkombozi wangu mimi na wewe, sasa yuko hai
Where is the certificate?
Hello.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We have, get me that, please. Get me that. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We have generated Form 36B. Let me invite agents to verify and sign. 36B, if they are in concurrence. Let me seek indulgence of everyone who is in this hall. You have been patient all along. If should anyone feel to have outlived his chance of being here, please, you can exit for the remaining few minutes. Kindly. I understand we have the candidates here and other elected leaders who are very patient. Please give us just a little. It's a process that you must go through. You must, the result must be verified, agents are signing, and then fortunately enough, the candidates chose other agents to preside over this. So give them time, please.
Gentlemen, I can see there are few ladies inside here, lakini kuna gentlemen wengi. Kwa niaba ya tume ya uchaguzi, mimi ningependa tu kuwashukuru nyote. We are very grateful to the voters of Nyansiongo. Mmepiga kura kwa amani. Leo asubuhi tumezunguka tukaangalia sehemu zote. You know, there are so many things that are happening in this country. We had 24 by-elections. And in other parts of this country, kuna watu wameumia vibaya and so many bad things have happened. At least for Nyansiongo, of course, to exercise our democratic right, emotions ran high at some places, but that is part and parcel of this game. But we are grateful, tumemaliza vizuri. Ningependa kuwashukuru voters wote, viongozi wote ambao wamejitokeza, the candidates, the parties. We are humbled and grateful for your work. Maafisa wetu wa polisi, tunashukuru sana kwa kazi nzuri ambayo mmetufanyia. We are indebted to you. I just want to thank watu wa Kisii na tuambie kwamba sisi ni wa Kenya na hii ni nchi yetu. We should be proud of our country and we should guard our democracy and guard our country in everything that we do. As the arrow reads the results, of course the winner will take the certificate na tutatarajia kwamba atazungumza na sisi. Na candidate mshindi unapozungumza na sisi, una viongozi wenzako ambao wako hapa ambao tunawatambua ngazi za juu, natarajia pia utawapatia nafasi waseme nasi kidogo, alafu tutafumukana tuende nyumbani. Hii shule yetu ya Menyenya tumeijenga vizuri na natumai hata tusherekee tukijua kwamba hii shule ni ya watoto wetu. Let us not destroy anything in this school. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your patience. We have collected results from 34A, from 36A, from all the 29 polling stations of Nyansiongo County Assembly Ward. From the collected results, allow me to read as follows. Machumbe Jackson Mogusu, 2,759 votes. Mogaka Dixon Machungo, 052 votes. Mosebi Alexander Mogeni, 016 votes. Nyantika Alex Obare, 010 votes. Nyaribo Dennis Kebaso, 1,371 votes. Oeri John Obai, 040 votes. Omwancha Kevin Maranga, 2,687 votes. Onsase Vincent Nyanchoka, 04 votes. Sylvester Ogata Moganda, 021 votes. Before I say the next statement, allow me, before I say the next statement, I will take time after this to do a certificate to the person who has got majority of the cast vote in this exercise. And going by the collected results in Form 36B, I declare Mochunge Jackson Mogusu Thank you. Just a minute. I declare Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu to have garnered most of the votes cast in this process. Allow me take a minute or two, therefore, to prepare a certificate of elected member of the County Assembly of Nyansiongo County Assembly Ward. Thank you.
Oh, no.
Banca Terio, Abuan 81, Amans, Roy
This juncture, allow me request Mr. Mochungbe Jackson Mogusu. Ngoja, just a minute. To either hand his ID over to me directly or indirectly through his chief agent.
Tutawafinya, 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 na tumewafinya, na tumewafinya. Hoteli yasiye kumambisa pili. Hoteli tuokola. Eka tuonganya ajala. Wachikoro wasiye tuokola kusoti. Wani
Ayo, olio kumeko watu ngakimbe tabu zangu.
Mwana mchumbo hivyo tabu zangu zikisha. Kwani DJ yaji? Kule tino weni elimo. Ni DJ yaji. Kama tunakasa rito, tulikuwa.
Ndio ningeli bale radio.
DJ yaji akira na hotel. Tabu zangu zikisha. Moto yabeke.
Oyo moto
yaji. Obo kano tata kwatingire kamba nane. Rizembe kumu kasobo kamba. Obo kanga ndole. Ndole. Obo kano toweke bodi. Obo kano kwa. Nade kwa kwa. Jinza rabora bora. Bora jinza. Yes, aye. Osoro. Osoro, nyoko, osoro, nyoko. Gabaila niye change. Kama zaidi.
Rudo dao dia maisi.
Awaisi bali rutongo kule kwa. Ndio Singapore ndo kuna Kenya Singapore. Mote bali kile ya tipo kwa ngombe kwa sasa mara lekele. Obwene ndo nasara.
Hebu ni nero to chando tangana. Walimu akile Singapore. Basere chukupata chile.
Mato ni zile.
Basere.
Kila.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I want to appreciate participation of everyone in this process. The candidates who gave themselves to contest in this exercise, the many voters who turned up to vote, the chief agents and agents at the polling station who turned out to represent their candidates, the security officers drawn from various geographical jurisdictions of this country who came to offer security support to this process. Allow me to thank all the presiding officers and deputy presiding officers and clerks who are engaged employed by the IEBC for this process. I know in several sections of these our polling stations, it was not easy for them, but the call to serve the residents of Nyansiongo County Assembly Ward motivated them to continue working even when the environment appeared evidently intimidating. Let me appreciate all the technical staff of the IBC who have burned midnight oil to have this process come to a conclusion. Unfortunately, the results of 2022 elections did not materialize in giving you an MCA, and you have gone for several days without an MCA. When I took up this responsibility, I swore that the child cannot die in my hands again. And as per the responsibility bestowed on me and the trust given to me by the Electoral Commission to preside over this process, I want to take the responsibility that the results will come with. Therefore, allow me at this juncture probably to request the agents sitting on this side to exit probably to this side and pave way for the next announcement. The chief agents, you can exit and pave way for the next announcement. Let me also thank the chief agents. You have been very supportive indeed. You have been very supportive indeed. And allow me also to thank some of the candidates that I can spot inside this room. Probably after I've done declaration, you'll only allow me 2 or 3 minutes to recognize presence of the candidates other than the winner who are with us and who participated in this process. I, Ken Okungu, being the constituency returning officer, hereby declare that Mochumbe Jackson Mogusu of ID number 21749308 has been duly elected as the member of County Assembly for Nyansiongo County Assembly Ward of Nyamira County in an election held on 27th day of November 2025, dated this 27th day of November 2025. I issue with this certificate of declaration. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Please, the people of Nyansiongo have gone for so many years without a representative. They have gone for so many years without a representative. And let me pray that when you set your foot into the County Assembly of Nyamira, kindly do much more than you have imagined for the remaining few years. Thank you so much. I know my senior, Professor Mugeni, have just spotted you. In case of any happening that was human, kindly pardon us. Thank you so much. Allow me just 1 minute probably to acknowledge Vincent. You can just say one word, please, maybe from where you are seated, and your colleague, and then we hand over the process.
Thank you, the returning officer, for giving me this chance to speak. I just want to congratulate my good friend, Honorable Jackson Mogusu. I concede it, and I want to tell you that we are together as young generation with my friend here. We are behind you, and we believe that you are going to represent us well in the County Assembly. Otherwise, I thank you so much.
Thank you for the opportunity. I want to thank my competitor, Jackson Mogusu, and I want to assure you that we will work together, because for the past 3 years, Nyansiongo have been not well represented, and we have been dragging back in terms of development. So, Mr. Mogusu, tutafanya kazi pamoja, tusaidie wananchi wa Nyansiongo. Na mimi next time, consider me as a youth, na slogan ile, Harambe!
Thank you so much, Mr. Mogusu. And just for the purpose of procedural issues, I acknowledge all the elected leaders and any opinion leaders observers hearing. But I might not have the local standby to welcome them to talk. And therefore, I'll give Mr. Mogusu time, and within his airtime, he can therefore invite any leader of his choice to make very brief remarks. Thank you.
Thank you, Banalo. Good morning, everyone. It's a morning, that's why I'm saying good morning. I sincerely want to express my gratitude. I want to thank you for your patience, because it was never easy. Never easy. But I want to say it's a process worth running. A by-election is not something any political leader would wish to go through. It is exhaustive, it's draining, it's tiring, and above all, justice is never cheap, and justice will always prevail. For the people of Nyansiongo, the confidence you have expressed in the entire process of the court, waiting for the IPC commission to be constituted, waiting for the election date, campaign period until today, I sincerely thank you. For the commission, the seamless process which has gone through has given life to the much doubted commission because of the previous experiences which we have had. For the security team, I not forget your quick responses for the ugly scenes which were not unprecedented today. Today is the first day I got used to loud bangs of bullets, of guns, of arrows. But I want to say the power of the people is unique and magnanimous in that sense, because it is today I realized a woman's voice is stronger than a gun's bang. You came out in large numbers to resist the evil actions which were meant to steal our victory again. Our leaders, this is the first time we have come together as Borabu. We have seen the entire Gusii coming to Nyansiongo and going to other areas which had by-elections. This is a gesture showing that together as a community, we can achieve our goals. In that regard, I want to say a sincere thanks to His Excellency Honorable Dr. Fred Matiang'i, my party leader, Honorable Mingo Magara, our elected leaders who took their time to set foot into this world, to sensitize, to educate, and actually to make the Nyansiongo people understand what type of leadership they want. That starts from our Senator, Honorable Senator, Senior Counsel Okongo Mogeni, our Member of Parliament, Honorable Patrick Osero, our neighbor Member of Parliament, Engoko Yavuga, our Senator from Kisii County, Honorable Nyonka, our Honorable Kibagendi, Honorable Barongo, our former leaders, Professor Ngeri, CS Machogu, who actually hosted our campaign, Mr. Tongi, whom we went with his in-laws to seek votes for me. I don't take that for granted, and others whom I may not be able to mention. But what I'm gonna say, this is an opportunity which is going to be an eye-opener. An eye-opener in the sense that the performance of the county assembly of Nyamira, the performance of the county assembly of Nyamira, and let nobody misquote me on this, because I'm talking with a lot of institutional memory on how the assembly should function. They violated the Commonwealth practices on how the house should be operating. They have been operating outside the jurisdictions and the purview of the county assemblies or national assemblies. This has been happening in the watch of the entire Nyamirans. I want to assure you, members, I will not be a puppet. I will not be a puppet to anybody, either in the county assembly or in the county government. I add synergy to that assembly because I know they have a will, they have a desire, it's only they miss a way. And I'll show them how things are done. Why? For the sake of Nyamira. We have lost 3 years. Nyansongo has lost 3 years, Nyamira actually has lost 3 years. Coupled with all those challenges, which are human in nature, I want to assure you, the people of Nyansongo, all is not lost. We shall pick our pieces together. Through legislative process, I'll be able to ensure that you recover what you have lost. I believe I'll get my time in the county assembly to do my maiden speech, which will be in accordance to the standing orders and parliamentary practices, so that we start putting Nyamira into the right map. I want to say that we are so endowed that in Nyansongo ward, we have a presidential candidate. And for sure, my prayer and desire was we get a member of a county assembly who measures, who expresses the stature of our presidential candidate. And that's why I want to thank you all, and promise I will never let you down. I'll never let you down. To my competitors, you are worthy competitors. I want to encourage the upcoming youngsters. Just keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. That's why when we watch the Premier League, you will see the players coming in with young thugs. Why? They want to say football must continue. So equally politics will continue. After us, you will take over like that, like that. So keep it up. And for those who took time to spend depleted, precious gifts, funds of the public to move around with helicopters just to say they are soliciting for votes, while actually they were spending public funds instead of investing, they were spending. In my own assessment, from what they have garnered, in fact, they spent 370,000 to get 1 vote, to get 1 vote, to get 1 vote. And for that sister of mine, who has a challenge with temperature, I think now we have brought it down. Brought it down. Brought it down. She's now let her go rest and produce babies and leave politics to politicians. There is nothing good like when you respect your elders, you respect your community, and you respect the decision of a community. With those many remarks, I want to honestly say thank you. And then time, you are free to come into my home, whether to come to eat or to come to mourn. But let us have friendship and everlasting friendship. Thank you so much. And at this juncture, I wish to invite my party leader, Honorable Mingo Mangara. At some point he said, thank you.
By one time. That's what, because the only way Mateng can be president, somebody must be one. Allow me to congratulate my maiden baby in this journey of politics in this particular phase. Enikitina member of Nyamira, congratulations. You made us proud, you're strategic, you have a network, This guy knows even the villages. Mwanyerebe. I was surprised. It was a worth effort, and I thank you. First, the officials. I was sitting next to this gentleman. I'm one of the naysayers who said, how come? Because we are used to NEMS behaving somehow, particularly from where the alliance is. There were questions. I can confirm you proved me wrong. And I apologize because you've done an exemplary job. When this young man was calling them, they were ready to respond, and quickly. So thank you so much. The entire team, security team, congratulations and thank you so much. Abanyamira n'abanyansyong, you have made us proud. And not only me, but our presidential candidate. You imagine if this thing was go to yellow color. Maze. Thank you, and thank you again. To the leadership here, Senior Council, who is also my nephew. Thank you so much. My former colleague in Parliament, Mheshimiwa Tongi, thank you. Thank you so much. Wenzangu pale, Engoko, Mr. Hen, you are a great man. And the entire team that supported this gentleman. Asanteni sana. Tuende kwa sherehe, lakini sherehe ya vitendo, because you have 2 years to compensate Nyansiongo guys for the 5 years that you are going to be counted in this particular phase. So you got to work triple hard to achieve the dream of our people. Please. Amen. And may God bless you. And usitupatia hivyo kama chama. Ichama elivokano binaligo tengwa keregetengekia bikutalibo embrayatwa abana baiburua yasaba senie, and I'm extremely proud. May God bless you and thank you so very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you members. I want also to appreciate my entire family, my wives and children, for standing with me for this span of 3 years. Finally, I want to welcome our area member of parliament so that he can take off and invite his colleagues. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Thank you very much. Pigie makofi gaki. Ndugu wetu bia. A long wait has come to an end. Eventually. I've been very lonely here in Nyansiongo. Wacha niite Ngoko akuja tusalimia, alafu ndio senator akangoko, yani aituru kuigobo kendu muntu agachuchu aka amanyingare muriro
Wakire. Good morning. Congratulations, Moguso. We'd like to thank IEBC for the sterling performance today. Those who had doubts about IEBC, I think we've done a good job trying to clear that up, and we hope this will be the trend to 2027. Security agencies, nawashukuru sana.
Asante.
Kazi ambayo mmefanya leo ni kazi muhimu na mmeifanya kwa njia ya imani kwa taifa lenu. Nawashukuru. To our people of Nyansiongo and Nyamira, no one is greater than you. We said we are going to fight, and we did fight. We said we will not be intimidated. We were not intimidated. We said we are not going to be guided from outside. We were not guided from outside. We've accomplished our mission for the day. Now, we allow our new leader to take charge. Sindio? Otherwise, asanteni sana kwa kunisaidia kuwafinya. Sasa tumewafinya, tuanze kupanga kufinya. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Makofi kwake. Before I call Senator Mugusu, congratulations. As the Member of Parliament for Borabu, you do not have any time to relax. We have missed on roads, mambo ya inaitwaje hii level 3 hospitals, hizi dispensaries zetu. So immediately, especially Chiparanchire, kuna koroseria hapa MCA. You know them. Yamanoti, Masige, Simbauti, they are in terrible condition. So you don't have any time to relax. Ingia pale na anze kazi. Ama namna gani? Saidie Nyansiongo. Number 2, this particular election has shown that we have one sacred, undeniable, what do you call it? Single Kisii leader. His name is Matiang'i. If you look at the votes that he got, tukiongeza na mwenzake, sasa ilikuwa Matiang'i fighting Matiang'i, si ndio? Alikuwa na Matiang'i versus Matiang'i, Kevin versus. So tukiweka pamoja alafu weka ya ule, I mean hakuna kitu tunaweza ongea. So this election has said, we have shown us that we have one undeniable Kisii leader, and there is nothing wrong with any community having a leader. There is nothing wrong. So we are telling all those who do not support this cause, their time is up. Their time is up. We are going to follow our leader, Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Akisema left, tunafanya nini? That is all. Mwisho, people of Nyansiongo, thank you for standing up to the violence, to the intimidation. Things, they camouflage them as empowerment. Empowerment. Mukakula hiyo pesa yenu ya bonus, lakini mkura mukapiga wapi? Yes. We are not stupid. We know. If we even had 100th of the money that those people had, I am assuring you, our team ni kupigia Magara, Ongeri, Machogu, Senator here, uko na ngapi leo? 10,000, ongeze 20, Mugusu ndio hiyo 30,000, kimbia. Hawa, they have used over 200 million hapa Nyansiongo. Hapa Nyansiongo. Lakini tulistahimili hiyo yote, tukachagua Mugusu. So nataka kuwashukuru, asanteni sana 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 for showing confidence in our leader, one Okengo Fred Matiang'i. Kwa hayo machache, Mugusu, congratulations. We will work together. We are going to work together to take Nyansiongo where it belongs. Mbia mano sana bantu wa minto. Iso kuturusi wosoku. Hii kitu, like we kept saying, it was not a fight between Mugusu and these other fellows. No. And between you and me, these other fellows nilikuwa nimewaweka pamoja wote. Na nikawaambia tuingie kwa umbrella ya Fred Matiang'i. Fred akuja hapa aseme hao watoto ni wote wangu, mchague mmoja. Wengine walikataa. Okay? Lakini vile mambo imeenda, tunashukuru Mungu. There was no violence. IEBC, congratulations. Thank you so much. Security, asanteni sana. Ruto and your team, thank you so much. Wacha nimpatie senator atufungie hiyo kipindi.
Senator karibisha baba na nyumbani.
Tongi. Mjumbe ya Nyaribari. Na mtu ukipoteza kura unaongeza weight hivi ni mzuri. Hata mimi nitapoteza. Asante, karibuni.
God is good and all the time. Na amanyire mwarosire. Tinda ituko sari chinga kicheino. Egenta kama yuka nata whatever. Ongezi ndugu yangu. Ongezi. Well done. Na mbaibere. Aba gusi mworo kiringa ntobwato musimamo. Inganto maite difference yoko ri hoteli no ko choro murai. Mukaenda mukarie hoteli muinogari lakini chikora mugaka muna okwa nuko mugusi kwa renge. na keep on telling people everywhere I went, engoko igere ngaini sana. Yako ande yato chendagere ya muamate, lakini kereko weka magana yabe karari. Abantu ba Nyansiongo mwaro kido mobweka nobu. Mobweka nomu ya ngana mogo tocha isiko endagera, moriye bintu bya serikali, after all nichi wa secheino, lakini kere critical decision yako mekibu, mwaye make. Mutuga iga, mobwate critical challenge. All of us as a community. Lakini muna Nyamira, igiyoko chore governor. And you are not shortage, you don't have a shortage of good leaders. Senior council na lega ya, brilliant mind. Mwesi mwere gaiga, wabongo ko the matching leaders. Abantu bale gaiga osero wansingo no bwata bale diko. As a second term member of parliament, I will tell you, mobwata bara yaba ya sana. For the longest, we thought in Nyariba arine hoja go produce a president. Lakini Nyasaye bunari Nyasaye, oro kidinga nonye can anything munyo ntebu kuria tenga can anything good come out of Jerusalem. Woni iga ya oro kidinga obogambi na boko Rwanda spina Nyasaye bangete. Okengo Matiangi has proven to be a good leader. Ya topo support tumobwati chinjere chionsi ondekara achega korete ya koreta kari lakini mu akambia mono. Saba seseni my singular honor and the privilege for angeri senior council to incoming governor Nyamira okwanya bantu bao. Karibu sana. Thank you. Oyonga mbele bina kanga tipe muchumbe.
Watu wa Nyansiongo mjambo. Mjambo tena. Kwanza nataka kumpa hongera na kongole my new MCA. Najua ni MCA wangu, mimi ni mkazi wa Nyansiongo. So congratulations Bwana Mugusu kwa ushindi mkubwa sana. Congrats. Asante. Sasa wajumbe wamezungumza na mimi pia nataka kuunga mkono kusema yale wamezungumza. Kwanza nishukuru nyinyi watu wa Nyansiongo kwa kujitokeza na kupiga kura na kufukuza ile wilbaro yenye ilikuwa inakuja kutusumbua hapa. Shukrani sana kwa watu wa Borabu, especially agents wetu. Asante sana kwa kutuchungia kura zetu, kwa sababu tungepiga bila nyinyi kuchunga zingepotea. Bwana RO and your team, tulikuwa tumeshtuliwa, tukaambiwa eti tutafunga bao vizuri, lakini mwingine atafunga na mkono wa kushoto. Lakini nyinyi mmetusaidia, mmetuchungia kura zetu na mmetangaza yule ambaye wananchi walimchagua. Tunawashukuru sana na tungependa muendelee hivyo mpaka 2027 tukianza ile king'ang'aniro kubwa. Our security team, asante kwa kuchunga sisi, kwa sababu leo tulikuwa tumevamiwa huku Nyansiongo, lakini asante kwa kulinda sisi. Tulisikia watu wamekuja na mishale, mapanga, marungu, na ile sisi tulikuwa tunayo ni kadi ya kuenda kupiga kura. Asante kwa kuchunga sisi, na tunaomba mkiandika barua zenyu mkemee sana wale ambao wanataka kuja kuchafulia sisi Nyansiongo. Watu wa Nyansiongo sisi ni watu waungwana, ile tulitaka tu ni kupata nafasi ya kuchagua kiongozi. Bwana Magara, asante kwa kutupatia party ambaye sasa imetupatia MCA. Nashukuru wajumbe wote, Engoko, Bwana Osero, Tongi na wengine wote ambao tumeshirikiana kuhakikisha kwamba tunapata ushindi. So mwisho, Bwana Mugusu, ukienda kule Nyamira ujue kuna kazi. Mimi kama seneta pesa nimewaletea. Sasa ukifika Nyamira fanyia watu kazi. Au namna gani? Huyo gavana wako ni mjanja kidogo. So ukiangalia vitu angalia na macho yote mbili. Hata ukitaka tukununulie macho 4. So that asikupeleke hivi. Uletee watu wa Nyansiongo pesa na tupate maendeleo. And madam, asante kwa kusimama na ndugu yetu na kwa kusupport yeye. Mimi najua bila nyinyi kupatia yeye support labda angeshinda leo. So wewe pia tunakushukuru, na watoto na wale wote ambao umeshirikiana kuhakikisha kwamba Mugusu amechukua kiti. So msilale watu wa Nyansiongo. Safari ndio tumeanza. Leo tumetoa yellow card, 2027 tunataka kutoa red card. Kwa hivyo msilale. Sasa ndio tumeanza safari, na safari tunaendelea mpaka 2027 ndio tumalize. Harambee! Asanteni.
Maombi tafadhali. Tunataka kuomba. Tunaomba. Tunataka kuomba. Mwata kansa we? Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man. Let's trust and pray. Father in heaven, we thank you for this moment. Because we are your creation, Lord. We believe what happened today happened because of your mighty power. We sincerely thank you for giving us protection this morning until another morning, which we have claimed back our victory. As we are leaving this room, grant us ten mercies, and above all, Lord, manifest in each of one of us good thoughts, so that we can take our country forward and bring the country forward. We thank you for this occasion, and above all, praise and protect the officials of the IEBC, friends, leaders who have come to share this victory with us. I ask this in Jesus' name.
Amen.
When you have the perfect response in your head, but your fingers just can't keep up. We've all been there. Typing, deleting, retyping. Now I use Whisperflow. I just think out loud and it creates perfect formatted text on any app or website. Whisperflow understood what I was trying to say and gave me the exact output I wanted. Check out the difference between this same sentence being dictated into Siri versus Whisperflow. Let's meet at 12